Hi, this is Haas. We have a most luxurious Rolls-Royce SUV in the parts today. The value is $480,000 above and is a 6.5 liter twin turbo V12 engine. 560 horsepower in this car. Is a really aggressive vehicle. Today the car is here for PPF process. We're gonna PPF whole front end of the car. We're gonna put a thick layer of the plastic, cover all the panel, and on that case you're not gonna get no stone chip, no scratch, no damage while driving the car on the highway. Please check out our YouTube channel and watch this video. On the next video we're gonna go inside the car, show you all the information, details and everything about this car, and you're gonna know what kind of beast is being made by Rolls-Royce. Thank you. Go to our YouTube channel, subscribe and press ding to see more video from Parts Moto. Thank you.